Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. This is about identity. So this is about a, this is about b. We need to multiply by a square plus ab plus b square on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So this one in here, that's about a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. Now we can change into a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. You will got about 2 minus s minus 1 minus s plus s square. And now we simplify this one. You will get about 1 minus s square. So 1 minus s square, that's about negative s square minus 1. So we simplify s square minus 1 on numerator and denominator. Next, we just put number 1 go in here and we can get the final answer. This one you will get about negative number 3. About this one, we can apply about trigonometric identity. That's about sine s square plus cosine s square equals to number 1. So we put about cosine s square go to the right. And we got about 1 minus cosine s square. So we put this one go in here. This one we can apply about identity, and you got 1 minus cosine s multiplied by 1 plus cosine s. We simplify 1 minus cosine s on numerator and denominator. And we get the final answer. That is about 1/2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.